Yes, welcome students in video class 11th, chapter 2, relation and function. Chapter name is relation and function. So first topic in relation and function is Cartesian product of set. Cartesian product of sets. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by A cross B and defined as A cross B is equal to x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. It is Cartesian product of two sets. In Cartesian product, elements are in ordered pairs. Example: if A is set having element 1, 2 and B another set having element A comma B, then Cartesian product of A and B is are 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 2 comma A and 2 comma B. So number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B. Two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first elements are equal and the second elements are equal. Note: two ordered pairs are equal if corresponding first elements are equal and second elements are equal. Second elements are equal. If there are P elements in A and Q elements in B, then number of elements in A cross B we are discussed above. If NA, number of elements in A M, number of elements in B N, then number of elements in A cross B is equal to M into N. Next is Cartesian product to three sets, that is A cross A. If we find A cross A, then A comma B such that A comma B belongs to A. If we find A cross A cross A, it is Cartesian triplet. Cartesian triplet is defined as A comma B comma C such that A B C belongs to A. In first example first, if x plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 comma 1, then comparing first element is equal to first, that is x plus 1 is equal to 3, so x is equal to 2 and y minus 2 is equal to 1. Y minus 2 is equal to 1 implies that y is equal to 3. Second example 2, if P have elements A, B, C and Q have elements R, then P cross Q is the set of element A comma R, B comma R, C comma R. In example 3, let A, B, C are three sets. A set having elements 1, 2, 3, B having element 3, 4, and C are having element 4, 5, 6. Then we find A cross B intersection C. So first you find B intersection C, that is common elements in B and C, which is 4. Now you find A cross B intersection C. So taking first element of A 1, 4, second element 2, 4, and third element 3, 4. It is A cross B intersection C. In second part, A cross B intersection A cross C. So first you find A cross B, that is 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 3, 3, 4. Next you find A cross C, that is 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, and 2, 4, 2, 5, and 2, 6, and 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Now taking the common elements in A cross B intersection A cross C. Common elements are 1, 4, 2, 4, and 3, 4. So first answer of first set and second are same. Similarly, you can find third and fourth. Example 4. If P having element 1, 2, then you find P cross P cross P. Find करना हमें इसमें P cross P cross P. For this, first you find P cross P, that is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Now you find again P cross P cross P, means 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, and 2, 2, 1, and again 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, and 2, 2, 2. These are Cartesian triplets. In example 5, if R is the set of all real numbers, R is the set of real numbers, then what do the Cartesian product of R cross R? R cross R means set of real numbers A, B such that A, B belongs to R, and R cross R is also defined as A, B, C such that A, B, C belongs to R. In example 6, P cross Q is given, find A cross B is given, find A and B. So first elements are in set A and second are in set B. For exercise 2.1, question 1 is same as example 1. Question 2, if the sets A have 3 elements, NA 3 elements, and B have elements 3, 4, 5, that is B have also 3 elements, then find the number of elements in A cross B. So A cross B's elements are 3 into 3, that are 9. So do the exercise.